A successful woman competes with herself, and if others feel threatened, well, it's their problem. Welcome to My Fair Lady with me, Geeta Modi. I bring you this show where we are meeting women with startups from this bustling city, Surat. My guest today is a unique style designer. She has won many awards and her family has been in this business since generations. And they have such a unique style of their own that even film stars and celebrities have been adorning their pieces. So let's hear the impressive journey of Pankuri Shah. Welcome Pankuri to our show, My Fair Lady. So very pleased to have you here.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's my complete honor to be here.
Oh, sweet. So of course we want to know all about your journey. Your brand is so popular. People all over, not only in Surat, but all over the country and outside are knowing about your brand. So we want to know how it all began. How much role have you played in this? Because there is so much uniqueness in this. Tell us.
So I'm originally from Jaipur. I got married here 4 years back. I'm from a Marwari family and not a Jain. But somehow with destiny, I got arranged marriage here in a Jain family. And I'm a jewelry designer by profession. I have completed my 4-year course in Jaipur. And I was always passionate that I want to work after marriage no matter what. And I knew that Gujarati families are always very supportive of women working. And by destiny, I got married here in BR Designs. And in my family, everyone is working, whether it's woman, male, female, that doesn't matter.
Yeah.
And over here, I'm looking myself as a designer. I head the team of designers, also with the marketing and sales. My husband is working with Forever Mark, so we are looking into a B2B division as well, where we are supplying Pan-India and Middle East. And over here, my whole vision is to take, BR Designs have been known from last 30 years. And my in-laws have worked very hard to build this platform. Now, me and my husband always have a passion that we want to take this forward on a online portal as well. So we are continuously working over it and we are planning to expand it through a website. And we are already, it's in functional, we are already getting orders, we are live on multiple platforms. So that's the whole vision of this journey, and we want that the name that our parents have built up, we take it further as a second generation jewelers, and that's the whole contribution of mine towards it.
Okay, so when you're talking about having an online portal which you started recently, you're saying. So is it still working under the name of BR Designs, or have you given it another name?
Basically, it was a dream of me and my husband. Actually, before we got married, we both shared that, this is what we both share in common, and that's what excited us to get married. Why not let's get married and fulfill this dream. So it is very much functional. It is under the name of Jewelry Marvels.
Jewelry Marvels.
Yeah, we project ourselves as a startup because we both wanted to do something of our own, on our own standing.
Right.
So yes, certainly there is a backup of our parents and BR Designs. It is always an added advantage.
Of course.
But Jewelry Marvels is a standalone individual platform selling BR Designs jewelry only online.
And when you go this way, you feel that market is bigger than what you have in the local thing, or that can grow into a huger platform? Is that scope more, or your regular one-to-one, which traditional style of business is still better?
So ma'am, of course there is a good scope. We have built up our brand on the retail clientele. But if you talk about expansion, certainly online portal have a huge expansion. You can reach to unlimited of people.
That is the future.
Yeah, and probably there are people in a smaller town. Like I get orders from Telangana. Like I don't think that they will come down here and they will get it customized. But yes, they see it online and they buy it. And the whole trust is very good online. Like the whole trust that different brands have built up. People trust on buying online jewelry. That really surprises me, that they are okay in spending say 30,000-40,000 very quickly, without touching the physical piece. So
Okay.
yeah, so that's what I really appreciate.
And if they want to exchange something or remake something, that facility also you all are providing them online?
Certainly, ma'am. So we are giving
Oh.
them a buyback, a 30 days buyback, where they can, of course, if they don't like it, they can always come for exchange. And of course, if there's any problem with the sizing or anything, we are always available. So we are very, very friendly with them, because I understand they're not touching the piece. You know,
Yeah.
so they might be a little hesitant, and most of the clients are sometimes. They are like, how will it turn out to be? Is the picture as good as the piece?
Or many times like you've not tried it on and you
Yes.
feel you don't know what it's going
Yes,
to look
how
like
it's gonna suit
finally.
you. Yeah.
That
Yeah.
also, like we are so used to that sort of a thing,
Very
mirror
true.
के सामने, because all ads, commercials portray just that, you know,
Very
वो
true.
mirror के सामने रखा
Very
फिर
true.
देखा, so this is a new thing for them.
Very true. And to add with that, we are coming up with the technology. It's already there in the market, where they can actually visualize the jewelry
Themselves wearing it,
So we
right.
are trying. We are in talks with them, the one who have developed this mirror, and then now we are going to combine this.
I
with
think it is
our-
working with cosmetics, but
Yes.
now it can come in
with
jewelry.
So it becomes very easy for the client to visualize.
When I look at you all, I really feel so good, because in our times we never had all these things.
Yes.
And the things which we could have done, maybe if we had so many resources, I don't know what could have been.
It's unlimited,
But
you know,
yeah,
how
it's
much you can
unlimited,
do
and now
in life.
it's good that the next generation at least gets to use it, and we get to see it happening.
But you guys are the role model, like you and like that's what I tell my mother-in-law. You know, you guys push us so much that we feel motivated. That why not to make something different, you know, in your life?
Yes. So did this pandemic, sort of affect that part of it? I'm sure it affected everybody in a
Certainly, yes.
in a particular way, but it also opened routes for pivots, and it opened routes for looking at design and style and everything in a different
Right,
way.
right.
But you think people will get back to this type of buying quickly?
So, ma'am, certainly each and every business had a minor
A setback, yeah.
during COVID, and but actually, I personally feel I take it very positively, because we actually got time, because nobody gets time to actually
Time.
think over and look at their work.
True,
So me and
true.
my husband, we actually went back and we saw that, you know, what's picking up, which client is taking what, and what is not moving, what is moving, and the whole online thing, we could actually give so much time to it. You know, we could really push it up.
You could really analyze each and every
Certainly,
stage and
certainly.
phase of what has been happening.
Yes,
True.
and the tie happened during that time.
Yeah, I did.
And I am an influencer as well, and I didn't used to get so much time because of the work and house, but actually lockdown really pushed me towards that also. So I feel that lockdown was very, very good for some people.
For a lot of
work.
people, but I think for everybody, if they had taken it in this way,
Yeah,
rather
taken
than
in
just
positive
spend the
way,
time sitting
yes.
and watching television and
Certainly.
eating and doing nothing. So
And
great.
coming back to the market, it is certainly picking up well.
It is.
Yeah. So people see eventually they will get married, and the parents have to give what they have to give.
And it is an investment after all.
Yes.
Where Indian tradition concerned, I think this is the investment.
Very true. And for jewelry market, I think it has been positive, because now they're not spending on the gathering, on the people. They're spending on the jewelry, because the parents think कि at least
Yes.
this is gonna like gold to investment hai unke liye.
Yes.
So this
So rather
I've
give
seen-
a couple of
yeah.
pieces extra to the daughter than spend
Yeah.
crores over there.
Yeah.
Of
So this I have
course.
seen a positive change in a lot of clients who are coming for the wedding jewelry. So it's been good for.
Right.
Yeah.
So is there any piece of jewelry which is like your absolute favorite? Maybe you own it or somebody else owns it, or you designed it and it became quite a talk of everybody's mind that, oh, this is something amazing, and you never thought it would have been that way.
Very
So
true.
is that one piece which you remember?
Yes, certainly there has been, there was a bridal necklace, and I was not very confident while it was designing that it will turn out to be so well. But, my team and my husband said that, you go for it and it will work. And somehow it won the award of Best Bridal Jewelry Pan India.
Wow.
So that really motivated me. And, one thing I learned, ma'am, that everyone has a different taste,
It does.
Probably what you are liking, the other client might not like it, and what you're not liking, the other person might like it.
Yeah, it plays a very key role in everything that
so
you make.
have to be very observant with the market and with the taste of people, and you have to build a variety. You just can't stick that I like this, so I will make this.
Yes.
So this is what I've learned, and touch wood, that piece had been such a hit, and we had multiple orders of it, and so that's how it is.
So tell us about all the accolades that y'all have won. I mean, the awards and whatever y'all have, been so proud about.
So BR Designs have been known for their award-winning jewelry, and in my family, I think because most of the women are working, my mother-in-law has won the Best Entrepreneur Award. My sister-in-laws have won multiple design awards, and BR Designs itself has known for its manufacturing process. And touch wood, we are still winning. We recently won a retail jewelry award for the bridal jewelry, for gold jewelry as well. And now that we are into this whole startup pitching thing, so I recently won this. I was first runner-up there, and now I have applied for IIM Bangalore.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm in second stage of that.
Great.
Yes.
And where do you see, like your portal, of course, which you are planning, you know that is the thing you want to focus on, and you want to take that ahead. So maybe in 5 years' time, what is the vision for that?
So, ma'am, the whole purpose is not to just become number one, but we want to expand our portal, where places where people don't see jewelry as an accessory. They think that it's just an investment. And, the people have this whole traditional mindset that it's supposed to be worn on, occasions. But I want to project jewelry, somewhere where they feel that it's an accessory. You can just, you wear shoes, you wear your jewelry,
Right.
The piece should talk about yourself, So that's the whole vision that me and my husband hold.
Do you have any motto or do you have any tagline which you use for your portal?
With Jewelry Marvels, we don't have a tagline. We just believe that, make each piece as an accessory and wear it every day. It should speak about yourself.
So do you think, there is something you could have done differently, or you think what you have done is the perfect way you went, or do you think if you went back, say 4 years back or 5 years back, there is something which you could have done differently and you feel that now?
So, ma'am, honestly, I just feel that there's not anything particular what I feel, but I feel that being a woman, I can achieve a lot more than what I am today. There is unlimited scope for girls to, work, study, and educate themselves. So, this one thing I feel that I could have studied more.
Studied more.
Yeah, and I could have, grown more independent, and then probably I would have got married. There is no harm of getting married early, but I feel that why not girls to achieve something, become independent on their own feet, and then get married.
Okay.
Why do you have to really depend upon the other person for everything? You can always be independent on your own self.
Okay.
And now that I'm working towards it, I'm becoming independent myself. I feel that I would like to see the other generation to stand on their feet and then settle
before.
down.
I mean, they become completely, totally dependent upon themselves and then get into another world.
Yes, because there certainly comes a lot of responsibilities once you are married, so I feel that why to limit your scope, First become a strong independent woman, and girls have so much scope, like I totally feel.
So when you're not designing, what do you do?
So when I'm not designing, I'm usually I'm studying trends. I really feel that one should not think that they are the best. I feel you should constantly see what other people are doing, and you should learn and get inspired.
Yes.
So this is what I tell my team also, that just because you have won certain award or you have been published, that doesn't mean you are the best. Move out of your zone and see out of the box what other people are doing. Take inspiration. Look at others people's work. See their interviews, and not from the jewelry field, irrespective of any field.
True.
So
I also feel that once you have won awards, you have to work that much more to go more notches up. You cannot now go down. You have to just move ahead.
Certainly.
So then they have to work all the more to live up to that reputation.
Yeah, you do. You have a benchmark set, so now you have to work towards that.
Great. And when you are talking about your jewelry, and when you said your piece was accepted and everything, was there still any one time when you said, okay, this is what I'm living for and this is what I'm designing for? That one moment when it just clicked and you said, I'm just going to do it all my life, come what may.
So when actually it won award, that moment, it just took my breath. Matlab, because I never
Expected it.
Yeah, and we were actually competing with the best of corporate stores. So I never thought that.
So you could name some more people who were you were competing with.
Yes, there was TBZ and there was Tanishq. You know, they are the big players. So you never expect that your design is actually gonna be, one amongst all of them. So when it won, I just had tears, and I thought that, yeah, this is what I think I have dreamed. I could never imagine that this is what is gonna happen.
So you could name any celebrity who have adorned your jewels.
So a lot of celebs have worn it. Hema Malini ji have worn it, and Soha Ali Khan have worn it. Then I think Dia Mirza have worn it. So because BR has been very hard work of through our parents' time. So yeah.
Lots of
celebs have worn it.
And you all do make even men's jewelry.
Yes, we do complete men's line in which we are doing cufflinks. You name any jewelry and we have done it. And we have done diamond studded shoes to tiaras to everything.
Wow.
We have done everything.
Great, it was lovely knowing about all this. So now we come to the segment where you are going to answer questions which are maybe a little silly, little fun, a little personal, little fun. We call it rapid fire.
Okay.
What is it, do you think, that keeps you or makes you dream or keeps you awake at night?
My work. I think if it doesn't let you sleep, then you're going in the right direction. That's the first thing should come in your mind once you should wake up. And my work, I think.
Is there something that you have realized very recently which you think you should have known it all your life, and you suddenly realize that, yes, why didn't I know this,
Be consistent, Even there are days where you feel that it's not working out. Just have patience,
keep trying,
Yeah, keep trying. It will actually result into something. And that's I think this is how it should be.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are the 3 things that you always have in your bag?
Okay, so I always have my mobile charger. I always have a cosmetic, say a lipstick, and I have a picture of my God,
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And if you were stranded on an island with only food and water, what were the 2 things you will take with you?
I will certainly take my phone. I'm really obsessed with my phone. So that is one thing, and another thing, I think some money, which might eventually help me to reach somewhere.
Something.
Yeah.
Okay. If a book was written on you, what would the title be?
Always believe in your dreams.
Believe in your dreams.
Yeah.
Yes. So, are you influenced by any character, maybe in a film, maybe in a book, or maybe in some serial somewhere? Which is that character which really influences you?
Deepika Padukone's character in certain movies. For example, Bajirao Mastani. I just like the way she has passionately worked towards it. And if you talk about a person, I think Princess Diana, I really read about her, and I think the way she has led her life, in spite she had so much rules, but she was just on her own, and she had her own rules and her own magic created. So I feel that everyone should be like that. Nothing should stop you. So yeah,
Great.
there are people who
Okay,
influence me.
so this is done, and now you can get to ask me a question, so I can give you some Gita Gyan.
So, ma'am, looking at you, I feel that you have such a unusual and a unique personality of your own. Once I saw you in Thai, and that time also I thought that ma'am has such a different and a strong personality. So, what pushes you in life, to become such a role model for the young generation,
So I think you don't work at becoming a role model to the generation. You generally work on yourself. So I feel when you overcome a whole lot of things, and you come and become the person that you become over the years after tackling business and issues in business, and going through meeting different types of people, tackling different types of people, also making that circle which is one-to-one level with you, on the same brain level, or whether it is the intelligence level, or whether it is a business level, or whatever. So once you go through all those stages and phases, you generally become one type of a person, basically. And I think as you become that, and as you grow as a human, I think everybody should grow as a human. You cannot stagnate.
Very true.
So once you grow as a human, automatically there are people down the line who are going to be influenced. They are going to take that inspiration. They are going to see that strength. They are going to see that work which was put to become that person. So I think it just works over a period of time. That part just comes automatically. All you have to do is work on yourself. You have to become the best version of yourself.
Very true.
Nobody else can make you that version. Only you can do it.
Very true.
So the minute you stop working on yourself, it shows that
Right.
okay, people may talk to you once, they may talk to you twice, but then the third time they'll say, okay, there's nothing much. I mean, this is it. Like, you know, it's और आगे कुछ नहीं है. You know, this is what you get. And enough. We've had it now. Nothing
Right.
more.
Right.
But if you always strive and continuously grow, I think every time somebody meets you, there's something new they get to learn, they get to hear. Even for me, I feel with youngsters, I get to hear and learn something new.
Very true.
So that teaches me something and they learn something. It's always a give and take in this world.
Very
And
true.
I think that is what makes that whole society, community, everything sustain and depend on each other and grow with each other.
Very true.
So
Very
that
true.
is what I believe.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So much to learn, I feel.
Yes. So this was wonderful. Now we want to know your mantra in life before we end this.
So my mantra is always believe that something beautiful is gonna happen.
Yes.
So I totally believe on this line, and the morning I get up, I feel that today something beautiful is gonna
Beautiful is
happen,
gonna
and the
happen.
day actually turns out to be good.
Yeah.
So just stay positive. There
True.
will be difficult times, but just hold on.
Yes. I know. I wrote my book is Your Best is Yet to Come. So,
Okay,
you're always
okay,
waiting.
okay, yes.
Your best is
Totally.
yet to come.
Totally.
This is still there.
Yes, very true.
Lovely, lovely talking to you, Pankuri, and I wish you all the very best for all what you have dreamt for, all what you want to do in the future, and all the very, very best to you and your husband and your new portal, your new business, your new startup, and what your vision is 5 years down. I think we should talk again 5 years down
yes, certainly,
and make
ma'am.
sure that yes, we have got there. Thank you for making time and being here.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It has been amazing, and it's a complete honor to be in front of you.
How
Thank
sweet.
you.
So we've met Pankuri Shah. I hope you enjoyed learning about her journey. Do check out her designs. I'm sure you'll love them. And I'm going to see you again with another guest, another inspiring journey. Till then, be fit, stay healthy, and remain awesome.